Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, 2 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Make the caramel first by combining 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water in a heavy saucepan, heating without stirring until it turns a deep amber color. Immediately tilt and pour the hot caramel into 6 ramekins or a 9-inch pan, coating the bottoms evenly. Set aside to cool while you prepare the custard. Whisk the eggs with 1/2 cup sugar and a pinch of salt until just combined and slightly frothy. Avoid whipping in air. In a separate saucepan, warm 2 cups milk and 1/2 cup heavy cream to about 175 degrees F, scalding but not boiling, then remove from heat. Temper the eggs by slowly streaming about 1/3 of the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly, then add the rest. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla. Strain the custard through a fine mesh into a clean bowl to remove foam. Carefully pour the strained custard into the caramel-lined ramekins, leaving a small gap at the top. Arrange the ramekins in a roasting pan and add hot water to reach halfway up the sides to form a gentle water bath. Bake at 325 degrees F for 35 to 40 minutes, testing for a slight jiggle in the center. Avoid overbaking to keep a silky texture. Remove from the oven, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight. To unmold, run a thin knife around edges and invert onto plates so the caramel flows over the pudding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.